Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, April 5th. Overnight trade, we see the wheat market down around 2 to 3 cents, the corn market's up a penny, beans and meal are unchanged, and the soybean oil market's down around 20 points. Can't really say there's anything in the way of fresh news. Personally, I guess I'm kind of at home, comfortable with wheat prices trying to range between $4.50 and $5, but shying away from the $5 level because of fundamentals. Corn being between $3.50 and $4, shying away from $4 because of fundamentals, particularly with the USDA report that came out with the acreage numbers. But kind of questioning us being on the north side of $9 beans, given the fundamentals that we know them, that mainly being the South American crop, and or our carryout on a 400 to 500 million bushel level. Other than that, I have to say that the trade is still short, the corn and the wheat. Obviously, that'll be a harbinger to go and say that we go and grow a crop. Bean market, however, once again, being on the north side of $9, we got the trade along in the neighborhood of around 250 to 300 million bushels of beans. Very sizably net long the soybean oil, wondering if that's not all of a sudden going to be somewhat of a little bit of a topish type of action, considering we still have a lot of veg oils available around the world. We've kind of almost maybe priced in the expectation that Malaysian palm oil supplies will be down, and then we're also still struggling with the meal. Still kind of wonder if this whole corn bean situation isn't a reflection of the fact that the Chinese grain policy, them out there trying to sell their corn, is making a worldwide trade of people wanting to sell corn and buy beans against it. Other than that, we did not get our crop progress numbers that came out yesterday afternoon as expected. That's going to come out later on today. We'll also get our deliverable stocks, and we'll be working our way towards the next supply and demand table that come in April 11th, I believe. That being the next USDA monthly supply and demand, which once again still seemingly is non-bullish. So once again, we're kind of meandering sideways in here. Don't really see the crux on the upside in here. And once again, it's all going to be based on weather. And we're supposed to have a normal spring weather here across the Midwest. But we'd like to once again see the Midwest, as far as the southern plains go, get some rain and kind of clearing up the Delta and the Southeast to get the corn plantings going there. Other than that, no other fresh news. Once again, these are my opinions of me, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.